Hi guys, this is Salil. So as an amateur photographer, this was my first workshop with Nikon and Holi at Vrindavan, which is a spectacle in itself. And to come here with the Nikon team, it was a fantastic experience. And special thanks to our team Chitransh and Naveen, and they were great guides to us. So hoping to see you in much more workshops. Cheers.
All right, guys, I just want to share the fact that this is the first time I've ever been to a workshop of any type. I'm more of a person who kind of likes to stay home, learn from YouTube, and do stuff myself. For the first time, I've come to I've been a part of this group where I've seen that there are so many talented people. Got to learn so much from not just the team leads, Naveen and Chitransh. I think everyone has been able to share some thoughts and inputs, and I think that is the best part of this workshop. And to be honest, it's like tasting blood for the first time, because now after experiencing this and the fact that sadly for Chitransh and Naveen, if at all they are doing a training, I'm bound to be there, because they are very patient, very humble in us answering all my questions, and to be honest, most of them were quite stupid, which I later realized, but nonetheless they were patient and very, very nice to answer all those questions. So please count me in for any future programs if it's on a weekend, because my office is chutti nahi milti. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Shitanshu from Delhi. This is my first workshop with Nikon School, and we went to Vrindavan to cover the Holi Fest. It has been an extraordinary experience, and we've learnt a lot. Mentors have been great help. The review session after our first day was amazing, and all in all, we've caught good snaps. It's been a wonderful experience, met new people, and I look forward to attending more workshops with Nikon in the future. Thanks.
So I choke on sun, and the days blur into one in the backs of my eyes, on the things I've never done. Sheets are swaying.